Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can meet again, we can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And watch our video of this channel because this channel was talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Same as usual, we are talking about cryptocurrency. The global cryptocurrency market kept stayed largely flat at the 901.57 billion mark, fall just 0.0% in the last 24 hours. However, the total cryptocurrency trading volume dropped about 6 and 23% to 57 and 66 billion dollars. What's cooking in India? The income tax department on Wednesday said 1% TDs on transfer of virtual digital assets will be levied on the transaction value and almost defining tax code preliminary beyond the exchange central board of direct tax CBDT issued an FAQ on the TDE's variation on virtual digital assets or cryptocurrencies, which was introduced in 2022 until 2023 budget and will be effective from July 1. Per the Global News, digital asset platform Falcon X was valued at $8 billion. It a new funding round led by Singapore's Safarji will fund GEC and by B capital more than doubling its valuation in 10 months. Its chief executive and founder Yolanda told rather despite the recent slump in cryptocurrency. This funding round total 150% million from the new and existing investor, bringing fresh capital to the company even with an unfavorable market environment for cryptocurrencies. Not all the money will go. The company covers as some investors also sold an undisclosed stake in Falcon X. In a funding round console in August, Falcon X had been valued at 3.75 billion dollars. So the algorithm is not to stagnant like that, just like that, always like it. No. Sometimes like the change is, yeah, you can't understand. I don't know who is the behind the scene. Yeah, like that, a crypto algorithm. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And watch our video of this channel because the channel was talking about cryptocurrency. Well, Thank you very much. See you.